And next is retrieve multiple value in single column. What happen? Let's say, is there any attack? Retrieve multiple values in single column. This. Let's try it. So what happened in last lab? We learned if both are vulnerable, then we can use we can fetch the username and password. But let's say if there is only one is vulnerable and I want to fetch both of them in one, so we need to use the concatenation for that. Let's say, see, we find out in SQL injection. After that we are fixing it, and after that we will use the union query, union select null. Okay, let's do again. See, there are two null. So after that we need to find out, okay, which is vulnerable. So I will check for the string. Okay, this is not vulnerable, so maybe second column is vulnerable. Okay, see, this is visible, means second column is vulnerable, so we can use that for the exploitation. So first thing, what we can do, we can use this null, and we can fetch one by one username from password. So okay, not from password, from users. Table is users. See, we are fetching the username. See, administrator Carlos, and we can fetch one by one. First thing, because only one column is vulnerable, and we can fetch do this password. See, we are fetching. Other than that, we can also use the concatenation, and for concatenation, you can refer this SQL injection. SQL injection cheat sheet, port sugar. Yeah, this is this. So you can use this. See, for concatenation, so double pipe plus double pipe and this space and single quotation, single quotation. So we will use the double pipe for this. So let's try this. Concatenation means I want to fetch username and password. If I find out only one is vulnerable, so I will use double pipe and this. So let's do this. See, we are fetching both of them. But currently I don't know from where our username ends and from where our password is start. So we need to use it 2 times, double pipe. See, now this is visible. We have the administrator and we have the password. And how things are working, see, this is the query. Show you. See, this is the query. We put that query here. See, this is the query. So this part is commented out, okay, and up to this, and this column is vulnerable. So see, we can fetch one by one thing like username, and after that we can fetch password. But let's say I want to fetch out everything. So what I can do, I can use the concatenation, and this is the concatenation. You can use the pipe, and you can use the plus also. So you need to check one by one. So sometimes other work, and yeah, sometimes this pipe work, sometimes that plus sign work. Okay, so yeah, okay, so we fetched both of them, and let's try to log in. So we successfully log in and we retrieve this. This is all about this lab.